with the latest. And a new framework was laid out today for his multi-trillion-dollar plan. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink joining us from the newsroom with more on the president's vision. Eric, what are you learning tonight?
Priscilla, good evening to you. Now, this is just a framework. Nothing was voted on today in Congress, but President Biden and congressional leaders say a vote is close, a vote that will impact millions of families and could mean a big boost to early childhood education. President Biden's hopeful he's convinced fellow Democrats, both moderates and progressives, to come on board his Build Back Better social safety net and climate plan, the key piece of the president's domestic agenda.
No one got everything they wanted, including me. But that's what compromise is. That's consensus. And that's what I ran on.
The latest framework just unveiled, calling for a $1.75 trillion plan, including major investments to fight climate change, expanded access to health care, including hearing services covered under Medicare, expanding the child tax credit through 2022, and $400 billion going to fund universal pre-K for 3- and 4-year-olds.
One of the most revolutionary and inspiring and amazing things that our country can do. Getting preschool available and having school start at age 3 years old is going to prove to be something that is going to transform America.
Arizona's Sinema, one of 2 Democratic holdouts in a 50-50 Senate, praised the progress but would not commit Thursday to voting yes when the framework is turned into legislation. Sinema tweeted, "After months of productive, good faith negotiations with POTUS and the White House, we have made significant progress on the proposed budget reconciliation package. I look forward to getting this done, expanding economic opportunities, and helping everyday families get ahead." Senator Mark Kelly said in a statement, quote, "I have worked to make sure this bill is paid for and makes responsible investments to lower costs for Arizonans and support working families. As this legislation moves forward, I am continuing to talk with my colleagues to advocate for Arizona's priorities, including how we can lower the costs of prescription drugs for Arizona seniors." A spokesman for Governor Doug Ducey said today, quote, "We're waiting to see what legislation looks like, assuming they can agree on legislation." Now, a couple key pieces left out of this latest Build Back Better framework: no family paid leave, no free community college, and no expanded Medicare to include dental coverage. So hearing is in, dental is out. President Biden is now in Rome, and we're just getting word from NBC News tonight that there will not be a vote tonight in the House. Stay tuned on all of this. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson. Priscilla, back to you.
Thank you, Eric. Well, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi praised the framework reached between the White House and congressional Democrats for the plan.
All 3 of these, health, planet, child care, etc., are all about the children. They're also about jobs, 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 how people access them, jobs that are created by the new green technologies, jobs that are part of the national security of our country, that is necessitated by our protection of the environment.
House Speaker Pelosi went on to say there will be 7.5 million new jobs in the bill alone.